Yeah, welcome at Rally Estonia. It's a great event ahead of us, and we are really looking forward. We are looking forward as well to see you around the stages, but please respect the marshals and the safety rules, and yeah, have fun.
Hi Terry, back in Estonia on proper gravel roads. You're testing now here in South Estonia. How is it going so far?
Yeah, it's going well. I mean, obviously, conditions are really hot, as you can see. But the test is going well. I have a good feeling already with the car, and we're only halfway through, so there's still a little bit of work to do this afternoon, and hopefully, we're going to find some more improvement and make the car fast.
Have you seen weather forecast for next week? It's going to be really hot. What do you think? How it will affect driving and the car's tires?
Yeah, I mean, obviously, already compared to last year, it's a bit different period. Our roads look quite dry at the moment. Looks like, yeah, there was not so much rain on the last days. It looks like it will be hot as well during the rally. I didn't see the weather yet for the rally weekend itself, but it looks like the week is going to be dry. And yeah, I'm looking forward. It's a challenging event for us every time we come here. The roads are really challenging, demanding, so much different than anything else. But when the feeling is good, I think we can be fast.
Probably you have heard that there are a couple of totally new stages which nobody has driven yet. Are you afraid? Have you got any information of the roads?
We got some information, but to be honest, I have still a couple of days to prepare my race, so I'm gonna be into that by the end of the weekend, and yeah, start preparing my race. But so far, the most important for us is the testing today, and leave here with a good feeling.
And how is your new co-driver Martin doing here? I guess your cooperation is going better and better.
Yeah, I mean it is definitely. In the beginning was a little bit more tough, but we were improving all the time, and I have to say I'm feeling more and more comfortable here as well. For him, it's obviously a big change. Also this morning on such fast roads, it's always a different rhythm, and he needs to get used to it. Also with the speed of the car, but he's doing well.
Okay, we've seen in social media you are learning to fly helicopter. Have you got your papers already? And is it useful for the jumps of Rally Estonia?
For Rally Estonia, I don't know, but yeah, I'm flying. I think I started in 2016. I have my license since 2018, so I have already some experience now. I like flying in south of France. Obviously, Estonia is very flat to fly, but we're going to be here this weekend to fly with our car. That's for sure. I mean, there are a lot of jumps on the roads, and it's going to be exciting.
So probably many fans doesn't know that you have some other relations with Estonia as well through Pace Motorsports, which is driving. They are using your TN5 cross carts. How is TN5 doing?
Yeah, to be honest, I didn't follow so much, but I know that the guys are very motivated. They are working hard. They had some great sponsors as well, and there's a great championship in Estonia. I didn't see much of it yet. I'm gonna be driving, I think, on Monday, and maybe also as well after the rally with some cross car. We're trying to do some development and testing, and I'm looking forward to it. But obviously, our main target is to be competitive in the WRC this weekend, and outside of this, yeah, try to have some fun in the cross car.
It might be possible that we see you competing with your own cross cart.
Competing in competition, I don't know. For the moment, I'm really busy. Obviously, we are starting to develop the new 2022 car as well. We had still a lot of rallies to go. We're only half season through, so the season is going to be busy. But whenever I can, I try to drive a bit more with the cross car, do some development, and obviously, when you have such motivated people like Pace Motorsports, yeah, I'm trying to help them a little.
But fans see that speed is there. Just a bit of unluck right now, not only for you but the other drivers. That's also expectations for Rally Estonia.
Expectations are high. I mean, the beginning of the season was okay. I mean, we were 4 times on the podium out of 6, but we were never able to score the big points. And if we were in the lead, once I made a mistake in Portugal, and last time we had a suspension issue, like on the last 3 rounds, while Hyundai was leading the event. So tough start of the season for the team, but everybody keeps the motivation, and we know that we're only half season through, so not everything is lost yet. Oui, voilà, on est aujourd'hui en Estonie, on prépare le rallye, dernière séance d'essai avant le vrai rallye. On a hâte que ça commence, le feeling dans la voiture est bon, et voilà, on est prêt pour démarrer ce challenge.